Yes. Yes, nation people. You don't know how the thing go already. Right now, the world boss go ramp rough. Yo, me think dancehall did longing for that type of flow there. It missing out of dancehall. We miss it, we ears miss it. So when time we hear it, nation people, it's like a breath of fresh air. Ramp rough. Yo, the thing remind me of tech. You see what I say? Yeah, I saw it remind me of tech. No joke shit not about it. Tech body girl. You think we easy. Who you ramp with? Want live easy. You see me? Yeah. I saw it remind me. And bend over till the thing cut. Cock up pussy high like World Trade Center rooftop. Take body girl. Yeah. I saw it remind me. No gimmicks business not about it, nation people. A blast, it a blast. You can imagine it in the dance hall looking from this. Eh? Yo, the skanker them go have a field day with the girls. Let me tell you something. I wanna get to one wine and say what you wanna come out and a ball boat too much rifle march and rifle step. Oh shit. Now you can get for dash out and go along bad now. Me not see who can stop it. The thing shelve right about now, nation people. It's a magnificent look. It could never ever get no better. You can't even ask him more. You see what I said? I said that flow the way the world boss draw from my brother. You see what I said? It's like a breath of fresh air. A long time the people them not hear nothing like that. Very, very hardcore. You see what I say? Yes. And the rhythm of bounce in your ears. No gimmicks business, not that about it. The world boss execute perfectly. You see what I say? And the visual there, the Gaza nation, for carry it off. Wicked, man. Wicked and wild. Right now, the only thing I think missile from all the visual, I some skanker should have did it for fix up them girl there. We are dash it out and I go on wicked. Yeah, man. I love every bit of it. Thank you. Thank you. You see what I say? And that's all it missing Gaza nation. Yeah. That type of dynamic there. You see what I say? Yeah, for see some skanker box them, back them up and I fix them up properly. But anyway, everything cute and Chris Nation people. I mean, I think nobody can this because the song explosive. You see what I say? There ain't nothing there for complain about. There ain't nothing there where you can chat about. The shit just orchestrate in the right and proper way. You see it? So, bless up to the world boss. You see what I deal with? No joke shit not there about that. You see what I deal with? Them can't stop greatness. You see what I deal with? Yes. And nation people, if you can't remember how long the world boss introduced them flow to the dance hall, today it come like it's a brand new flow where touch the seed. No joke shit not there about it. You know what I mean? Yeah. The thing slap where shell where should say hotter than where elbow buckle out there. Right now we got big up Popcaan, Skillibeng, and we got big up shenseea. The wireless thing there, it off the chain. Yeah. And it shows a Jamaica global superstar. I bring it to the rest of the world. It show that. Yeah, man. And that it show we, you know what I mean? Say, them a bring it to the rest of the world. First class way. No joke thing not there about it, nation people. You hear me I tell you? The performance them was epic. No gimmicks business not about them. Crazy performance. You know what I mean? Yeah. For big up the world. For big up the unruly boss popcaan for we go on over England and for see when the material evidence are come out from out of Wireless. The sister will then come like them shame right now to the way the man them deal with Wireless. Me I tell you, them couldn't even ask nothing more. You know what I mean? Suppose you see people, nation people. Suppose you see people with them hand in the ear. Skillibeng. You go on wicked. Right about now, the youth think them a sting and a shock right about now. No joke shit not about it. Yeah man, Skillibeng thing unique right about now. This is what I deal with and the way how I perform too. Because right now when I see what I do, this is what I say. I command the crowd. This is what I say. In him lyrics and in him song. This is what I say. Too fucking eccentric. This is what I say. Yeah, and too classy. This is what I deal with. Super dynamic. We love it bang bang. No joke shit not there about it. This is what I say. We love every bit of it. It can't get no better for me. This is what I say. Yeah man. So I respect to the fullest. And the same goes out for shenseea, you know. That's what I say. Because although she not really find a song like the WAP yet, she still carry out the works. That's what I say. And you have to respect that. Just like what do you look and see Shaggy and Spice over Germany and I set things straight. That's what I deal with. So the dancehall artists them wanna big up on yourself. The one them who are take his first class, big up on yourself. The one them who are represent locally, big up on yourself said speed. That's what I said, the word never stop. You hear that? No gimmicks thing not there about that. So we love our dancehall artists them a deal with things. Because remember so what they are in the pandemic, nothing at all never go on. And for see, the man them rise up now since the place free up and internationally the shit them a shell way hotter than where hell there. Respect. Nothing more than respect. That's what I deal with. Yes. That's what I deal with. And remember people say when you go over Vybz Kartel, Vivo, go slap with that one there. Because that one there when you man prof, I mean tell you man, a living problem looking from this in the dance hall. You know see what I talk about? That's what I deal with. I not for exaggerate on it, you know. You know see what the fuck I talk about looking from this. You know go see all play shell. Because I tell you, you know. Remember the ladies them that cry feet, you know. A bumbo ass clot when them get it now, you know. You think them are gonna laugh with it? Yo. All the waistline supposed to grease up, you know. Every waistline supposed to grease up, you know. And can't wait for necessary equipment trigger off. Because I tell you, say, dancehall nice again. The party them slap again. You hear me I tell you no? Yeah man ladies. You know go and go broke out. You see me? Go bring it to the man them. You see what I say? I make them know. Say I saw Vybz Kartel roll. Him no roll without you know. And him no roll and leave you know. Unsatisfied. No, him not do that thing there. Him represent. He make sure him represent. So, you can ask you have a blast and a feel there when you go out there for party and enjoy yourself. Gaza Nation, a 10-star, you know, I represent. What? What?